So during this session, I'm going to share with you what I learned about managing stress through my career journey in various manufacturing leadership assignments. I remember my first role as a night shift supervisor. I was working 10 to 12-hour days, 6 and 7 days a week. And when I was away from work, I was still thinking about work. And even when I was sleeping, I was dreaming about work. So needless to say, I was very stressed in my role as a supervisor. And I didn't really have the tools or experience to deal with the stressful situations at work. But over time, I learned and I grew, and I found ways to respond better and lower my stress levels. So I'm going to share with you what I learned about stress management in manufacturing leadership assignments. Don't stress about the past, but do have an urgent focus on the present. Don't stress about employee performance, but do focus on employee management. Don't obsess about your job security, but do focus on your leadership performance. Don't try to memorize all your assignments, but do keep an active to-do list. Don't be in constant conflict with others, but do partner with your peers. Don't let your plate overflow with assignments, but do delegate tasks to your team. Don't stress about the short-term results, but do rejoice in favorable long-term trends. Don't let a dark cloud of unfinished work hang over your head, but do work extra hours as needed to get caught back up. Don't stress about your weak areas, but do get training. Don't take on everybody else's problems, but do assign the work back to the employee. Don't accept constant negativity, but do ask the stress mongers to stop sharing it with you. Do be accessible, but don't be bullied by your cell phone. Through time, I grew and I learned to lower my stress. And I really hope you're able to use some of this information to help you not just survive in your manufacturing career, but to thrive as well.